So Bath and Body Works just released their new perfume in Touch of Gold. This right here. I went in store. I did a buy online pickup in store. Went in store and got this. And they had the body mist up there. They had that you can test, not purchase. Then they had the hand sanitizer that you can pick up, the hand cream that you can get, and you can go ahead and get this EDP. Now this is their 7 mils that they sell for $14.95, and they had it on sale today for $8. So I was able to pick it up in store. And what I could tell you about this one right here has a blackberry berry note in it. It has tonka in it. And it has some orange blossom in it, and it smells gorgeous. Now, on the mist, I sprayed it in store, and the mist smelled beautiful, and it lasted several hours. So that was a good sign. That is to release soon. But this EDP, it definitely has a berry note in it. And it has the sweetness from the tonka. But it does have that orange blossom in it. So this right here is what is selling right now, the orange blossom with these. This feels like a luxe perfume that's trending right now, really, is what this is giving you. It smells like a trending perfume. And so they're right on key with it. So, but what it does remind me of, so entertain me for a minute. What I think this reminds me of is a combination. This reminds me of a combination. So imagine you put on your champagne toast, because champagne toast has the berries in it, right? It has champagne, berries, and tangerine. Just take the berries out. If you was to take the berries out of champagne toast, the next one, platinum, very similar. If you love platinum, then you're absolutely going to love the Touch of Gold. So if you love this one, you should love this one. And you know this one is their popular seller. So if you love platinum, you should love Touch of Gold. This just has patchouli in it, and this one does not. So they take the patchouli out, add the berries from champagne toast, and emphasize the orange flower. I know Free as a Flower was the one that they just released from their luxury line, and this one has a heavy orange flower note in it. So imagine the flower, the orange blossom out of Free as a Flower, along with the berries out of champagne toast and platinum mixed together without the patchouli. And then you'll get Touch of Gold. That is my opinion on it. And to me also, if you have gingham glow, you enjoy this one as well.